Batang MANDunong, home learning partners, at sa lahat ng nanonood sa aming YouTube Live, magandang umaga po. Kamusta kayo mga Batang MANDunong? Isa na namang linggo ng pagkatuto ang nagdaan. Welcome sa ating pag-advance lesson para sa ikatlong linggo ng Project SOAR, Series of Online Academic Review of Mathematics CLAID Learning Module. I am Teacher Jessa, a teacher from Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, and I will be your moderator for Quarter 2, Week 3 of Project SOAR. Before we start, I would like to acknowledge our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Romela M. Cruz Sese, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, to our Chief Education Program Supervisor for CID, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza, to our Chief Education Program Supervisor for SGOD, Mrs. Emma G. Arubio, and to our Mathematics Education Program Supervisor, Mr. Restituto I. Rodelas. Math-sayang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Inaanyayahan ko ang lahat na i-share ang live video na ito. At huwag din kalimutang i-like ang aming Facebook page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong, at mag-subscribe sa aming official YouTube channel, MPM Channel. To give us her inspirational message, it is my pleasure to introduce to you our beloved and ever-supportive principal of Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. Mga Batang MANDunong, let us all welcome Mrs. Olivia L. Pagurayan.
Good day, everyone. I deeply feel honored and elated knowing that we have Andres Bonifacio Integrated School teachers who are involved and who participated in the Project SOAR program of DepEd Mandaluyong. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the ABIS teachers in the junior high school and senior high school departments who were able to participate in this Project SOAR. Congratulations, my dear ABIS teachers, Ma'am Edlyn Sosas and Ma'am Maylin Tumanan from grade 7, Ma'am Joanna Grace Lara for grade 8, Ma'am Leia Kimora for grade 9, Ma'am Nora Ramirez for grade 10, and Sir Aris Fadera for Senior High School General Mathematics. I am so proud of having teachers like you who are willing to share your skills in teaching mathematics. Your dedication and commitment towards delivering quality instruction is immeasurable. I greatly appreciate the time and effort you spent to help and support our students and home learning partners to understand better the contents of the CLAID learning modules. It is a fact that modules alone are not sufficient in delivering quality education to our learners. By means of Project SOAR, learners and home learning partners are given assistance to understand more about the mathematics lessons, and this is done through live and pre-recorded sessions via FB Live and YouTube. In this new normal, a lot of teaching and learning strategies are being implemented just to make sure that no learning gap will take place. My appreciation for the initiative done by the SDO-CID team for spearheading this activity. This is truly a great learning opportunity for our students, especially in their academic journey in mathematics. Not everyone likes mathematics, but with this program, learners are given the exciting experience to be able to learn and appreciate mathematics. Indeed, we could say that this project is a success when it comes to meeting its purpose. Again, my congratulations to the SDO-CID team and of course, to the ABIS teachers involved in this program. Aim high, ABIS. Aim for excellence.
Thank you, Ma'am Pagurayan.
Bago tayo magsimula sa ating pag-advance lesson, Atin munang pakinggan ang mensahe ng tagapamasid Pampurok ng Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. Mga batang mandunong, let us all welcome Dr. Nona B. Veriña.
Sa ating OIC SDS, Dr. Romela M. Cruz, OIC ASDS, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, sa dalawang Chief Education Supervisor ng SDO, Ma'am Emma G. Arubio ng SGOD, at Dr. Alain G. Mendoza ng CID. Sa ating Education Program Supervisor ng Mathematics, Sir Resty Rodelas. At syempre, hindi rin pwedeng makaligtaan nating batiin ang ating punong guro ng Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, Ma'am Olivia L. Pagurayan. Sa mga gurong Andres, sa mga mag-aaral ni Andres, sa mga magulang, at sa kabuuan sa Batang Mandalenyo. Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ito ay isa na naman sa mga series ng online academic review, yung Project SOAR. Ito ay pangungunahan ng mga mahuhusay at magigiting na gurong Andres para sa elementary at secondary level. Ang layunin ng SOAR project na ito ay para magabayan ng mga guro at ng mga magulang ang ating mga mag-aaral. Magabayan na gawing mas malinaw at mas madali ang pagkatuto sa asignaturang mathematics. So review, ibig sabihin, mai-engage ang ating mga mag-aaral. At kung engaged sila, definitely committed sila. Committed na matuto. Matuto na madali pala. Magiging madali at malinaw ang pagkatuto sa matematika. Dahil mula dito sa engagement nila, dahil nagre-review sila, magagamit nila ang lahat ng kanilang personal experience. Ang lahat ng ito ay kaya nilang gawin dahil makakapag-reflect sila, makakapag-analyze, mako-communicate nila ang kanilang mga personal experiences. Ang lahat ng ito ay learning experiences. So, ano pa ang inaantay natin? Mag-SOAR na tayo. Muli po, magandang araw sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Dr. Veriña.
Mga batang mandunong, let me introduce to you our next reviewer for Mathematics Grade 7 Week 3. She is a graduate at Rizal Technological University. She is now on her 20th year of service at Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, an MTOP trainer, a Teacher 1. Let us all welcome Miss Edlyn A. Sosas.
A pleasant morning, parents, teachers, and learners. Welcome to our Project SOAR series of online academic review of mathematics CLAID learning modules. I'm Edlyn Sosas, a teacher from Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, and I will be your reviewer for the week 3 of grade 7 mathematics. Okay, let's have our advanced lesson in Mathematics 7 for CLAID learning modules, quarter 2, week 3. Our topic is all about related terms in algebra. Our objective, the learner should be able to illustrate and differentiate related terms in algebra. Okay, let us now define some related terms in algebra. So first, what do you mean by algebra? So algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with letters and numbers. Okay, second, we have algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is an expression which may contain a variable, a constant, or a combination of both. It may also include the 4 operation symbols and different grouping symbols. Okay, another one, we have the numerical expressions. Numerical expressions is an expression which contains numbers, 4 operation symbols, and different grouping symbols. Okay, let's have an example of algebraic expression. So the first example, we have 10x. So 10x is an example of an algebraic expressions since it is a combination of constant and variables. Okay, meron tayong constant which is 10 and x is the variables. Okay, the second example is 2a squared plus 4b plus 5. So in this example, again, combination of constant and variables at may kasama tayong operations. Okay, so let's now proceed on example of numerical expressions. So the first example, we have 5 plus 1 half. So pag sinabi kasi natin numerical expressions, lahat po yan ay number lang, walang kasamang variables. Another example, we have 4 squared minus 2. Okay, we have another term, which is variable. A variable may either be a symbol or any letter of the English alphabet. It is used to represent any number in a given expressions. Okay, another term, we have a constant. A constant stands for a specific value. Okay, in our given algebraic expression, 4x squared minus 6y. So we are going to find the constant and variable in this given algebraic expressions. So positive 4 and negative 6 are the constant, and x and y are the variables. Okay, another terms that is related in algebra is the numerical coefficient. So, pag sinabi natin numerical coefficient, ano po ba yung numerical coefficient? So, numerical coefficient is the numerical factor of a term. Okay, we have another term, the literal coefficient. Literal coefficient is the product of the variables in a term. Okay, so let's have an example about the numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Okay, in our given algebraic expression, 3a, b, and c, so what is the numerical coefficient? So, in this given algebraic expression, 3 is the numerical coefficient. And how about the literal coefficient? So, when we see literal coefficient, we have a, b, and c. So, another example, we have negative 1/2 x squared y cubed. Okay, so what is the numerical coefficient? Okay, the numerical coefficient is negative 1/2. How about the literal coefficient? So, when we say literal coefficient, we have x squared y cubed. Okay, so what is the difference between a literal coefficient and the variables? So, pag sinabi kasi nating variables, yung variable itself lang po, hindi kasama yung exponent. So, when we say literal coefficient, it should be the variable as well as the exponent. So, yung variable, kasama po yung exponent natin. Okay, another one, we have the term. So, when this term is either a single number or a variable, or a numbers and variables multiplied together. So terms are separated by a symbols plus and minus. Okay, another term, we have a constant term. A constant term is a term without a variable factors. Okay, so let's have an example. So in the given algebraic expressions, 4x plus 7y minus 5. Okay, so in this given algebraic expressions, meron tayong plus sign and minus sign. So this plus sign and minus sign separate the algebraic expressions into 3 terms. So therefore, meron tayong tatlong terms sa given algebraic expression na to. So this is our first term, 4x, and we have 7y is our second term, and negative 5 is our third term. At saka itong third term natin, ito din yung tinatawag natin na constant term. So constant, wala po siyang kasamang variables. Fixed po yung kanyang value. Okay, so let us now proceed on the classifications of algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions can be classified according to the number of terms. So the first one, we have monomials. So pag sinabi natin monomials, from the word mono, it means one. So this is a polynomials consists of one term. So let's have an examples of monomials. So we have 12a is an example of monomials. Ito po ay one term lamang dahil wala tayong nakikitang plus symbols and minus symbols. Okay, another example, we have 6x squared y. So again, this one is an example of a monomial because it is consists of one term. Kasi tandaan natin, pag sinabi nating term, it should be separated by plus and minus sign. So dito sa given natin, wala pong plus and minus sign. Okay, another example, we have 4 quantity x plus y cube. So, baka naman sabihin niyo dito sa ating fourth example na meron tayong plus sign. Pero kasi, yung 4, nagsiseparate siya doon sa x plus y by parenthesis. So, kapag ganyan po, ibig sabihin, it is consists of one term. Maliban na lang kung isi-simplify natin to by multiplying, isi-simplify muna natin yung x plus y cube and then multiply 4 by x and y. So, dyan po magkakaroon tayo ng more than one term. But in this case, this is considered as a monomials kasi meron po tayong parentheses. Okay, another classification of algebraic expressions is binomial. So when we see binomial, is a polynomial with two terms. Okay, so we have our examples of binomials. Okay, so first example, we have x plus y. So in this algebraic expression, it is separated by the plus sign. So therefore, we have x is our first term and y is our second term. So this is a binomial since it is an algebraic expression consists of two terms. Another example, we have a squared minus b. Okay, so in this algebraic expression, it is separated by the minus sign. Okay, so next example, we have 4m cubed n minus 6mn cubed. Okay, another classification is a trinomial. So when we see trinomial, is a polynomial with three terms. Okay, example of a trinomials. So we have a squared minus 2a minus 12. So in this given algebraic expressions, okay, so this one is separated by the minus sign and this is also separated by a minus sign. So therefore, this is an algebraic expression with three terms, which is a squared is the first term, negative 2a is the second term, and negative 12 is the third term. And yung negative 12 natin, again, ito yung tinatawag natin na constant term. Okay, another example, we have 4x squared minus 2st minus 6t squared. Okay, next we have the multinomial. So when we see multinomial is a polynomial with more than three terms. Okay, examples of multinomials, we have 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 3. So this algebraic expression is consists of four terms. So therefore, this is an example of a multinomial. binomial. Another example, we have 3y to the 4th power minus 5y cubed plus 4y squared plus 6y minus 7. Okay, so let us now answer our given activities. So the first one, identify the constant and the variable in the following expressions. Okay, the first one, we have 2x. So what is the constant of this given algebraic expression? So first we have 2 is the constant and x is the variables. Okay, another example, we have negative 4a. Again, what is the constant? So we have negative 4 is a constant and a is a variable. Okay, another activity is give the numerical coefficient and the literal coefficient of the following expressions. Okay, for number 1, we have 12xy. So ano po ba yung ating numerical coefficient at saka literal coefficient dito? So in this given algebraic expressions, 12 will be the numerical coefficient and x and y is the literal coefficient. Okay, another example, we have 8l m squared n. So what is the literal or the numerical coefficient? So 8 is our numerical coefficient and l m squared n is the literal coefficient. Okay, classify the following expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. So we have our first given, square root of 5 xy squared. So this algebraic expression class consists of one term. So therefore, this is a monomial. Okay, second one, we have y squared minus 3/4 y plus 1/2. So kung titingnan natin, yung expression natin, meron tayong minus sign and plus sign. So therefore, this algebraic expression consists of 3 terms. So y squared is the first term, negative 3/4 y is the second term, and positive 1/2 is the third term. So therefore, this is a trinomials. Negative 6a squared plus 3a. So this algebraic expression is separate by the plus sign. So therefore, this is 2 terms. So kapag 2 terms, ano nga ang tawag sa kanya? This is a binomials. Okay, another example, we have 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus x minus 2. So ilang terms po ba meron tayo? So the first terms, we have 4x cubed. The second term, we have 2x squared. X is our third term. And yung pang-apat na term natin is negative 2. So therefore, this is an algebraic expression consists of 4 terms. So pag sinabi kasi natin more than 3 terms, so this one is a multinomials. Thank you for listening. If you have questions, feel free to send a message to our official page, Math Team Mathematics Teachers of Mandaluyong, or send a message to your math teachers. This is Teacher Ed's saying, Math-sayang Math-aral, tayo nang matuto.